today I have something cool to show you. It's right over here. What is that? Well, how about a smart mirror? Yeah, pretty smart in a way. Connects Wi-Fi, give me the weather report, the time, and much more. Beautiful, beautiful light all around, and anti-fog. Yes, when you're gonna shave or you're gonna do your makeup, your hair, press a button, and it's always nice and clean. You have to go and grab a piece of towel or put your hand to take all the fog out. Not anymore, because we have a smart mirror. I'll show you that right now. How are we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. All right, so today I have this cool mirror. Then later on, I'll play you the whole video. So this one is 40 inches by 24. Now, all around, we have LED light. You can control the lighting, 3 modes. Light also even have, you can control the right from your app. You can put the night mode, what is it, nice and soft light. Give you the weather report. If you want a 1 day or 2 days report, right, they give you the temperature from inside, and they give you the outdoor temperature. Let you know when it's raining or when it's snow. They give you a lot of those nice things. Now, the way to wire this, there's 2 ways. You can just go hot wire. Now, when you just go hot wire and you just press the switch right from your bathroom, the light will come on automatically, and you will see the time, and then it takes a little bit, like maybe 10 to 15 seconds to resynchronize with your router, get information over the internet, and then now you get the weather report. Now, to turn on the fog, that is a little, you see that switch there, you're going to see in the next section. You just press on and turns on, and it takes about maybe 10 minutes to warm up, so warm up from inside and out. My recommendation is this: if you're gonna be taking you're taking shower, right, and then you're gonna be shaving or whatever, or makeup. So turn the fog before you start, right? You come in the bathroom. I'm gonna ready to take a shower. Press the button there, right, and automatic comes on. And when you finish shower, your mirror will be nice and clean. Now, it's something to remember: every time you turn the main switch, the whole thing will come on. Now the fog section, it stays off until you press it. Now, other way, you can just turn it on and off by just touching the mirror. The 2 buttons you will see in the next section. And at night, if you hot wire and you just leave on the switch, right? You leave on the switch, but you turn it off from the mirror. It has these 2 soft lights all around the switches, all around the mirror, so you can automatically see what is on and off switch. I think it's great. You can control with the app. The app is called Mirror Wish, I think it is. Yes, it's called Wish Mirror. You can download the app. Some of the things you can do on this app, and this, go back to the mirror. So we can change the setting of the weather. You can put it automatically, or you can set your own zip code. It has what they call the night mode, on or off. You can do that. You can upgrade the firmware version as well too. In some basic settings, you can control the lights. By the way, to control the lighting, right, you can change the lights by holding the power button. You just hold it for a few seconds, and automatic you can switch to different brightness. And another tip I want to give it to you, you see in the video, it's going to be, you see the LEDs blinking. By the way, it's only that effect because we're using the camera to record that. But in reality, it's not blinking at all. It goes, you can view the numbers, and perfect. Well, you know what? On the next section, I'll show you how the whole thing works. You can actually see it come in an open box, because it will see. Show you that right now.